Hi everyone, looking for a perfect virtual partner who totally gets you? Today I'll show you how to create your ideal AI companion in SpicyChat step by step. Let's get started. First, head to spicychat.ai on your browser, and you don't need to log in unless you want to save your chats. Here, click on the create character or custom character. You'll name your partner, pick the gender or traits. You can add a description like romantic, loyal, playful, or protective. Get creative. Then here you can also set a personality style like flirty, shy, dominant, or sweet. You can also write prompts that guide how they act or respond. And if you want them to call you a nickname, you can add that too. Then here you can click start chat and let the convo flow. You can tweak their traits anytime or create multiple characters for different vibes. And that's it. That's how you build your dream AI partner in Spicy Chat. If you found this video helpful, please like and share and subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching.